Hey coaches, Coach Barry here. So we're going to go through today and work on how I use the task sketch to draw up a cross-ice game. So the first thing we're going to do is identify what type of environment we've got. So we know that we're going to be using an end zone. So we're just going to basically work out what color I need, which is the right color. And I'm going to draw around my environment and cut my line off. This gives us pretty much rink, as you can see. Now what I want to do is I want to identify where the middles are. So it's just in the middle there. I'm going to give it gap. So I'm going to put the nets nice and simple at both ends. Just give it gap. And now we've got cross-ice game. I'm going to work out where my center line is, so I can just use my task set. Now on your model, you would just draw a line across here. And then I can then just pull that line through the middle here. So all of a sudden now I have a cross-ice game working on anything I want to do. Let's say, for instance, we want to load, we want to put a coach in, and the coach is going to load the puck. We're going to have a corner gap, so we're going to put a corner gap in, and we're going to put in, let's say for instance, an O and an X. Okay, we're going to put all the X's on this side and all the O's on this side. We're going to load 2 off the rush, 2 off the rush. The coach is going to load the puck just to the boards. Now in this game, we're going to have goalies. So in this game, what we've got is a 2v2, pick up the puck. Now they can use their guys either offense or defense. We can have a pass through, pass back. So these O's can attack. It gives you an idea of what you can use when you're drawing up your small area game. So what are the problems we're trying to solve here? So what we're going to work on. Let's say, for instance, we're working on U11s or we're working on U13s. We might call this a passing task, right? So it's a passing task. We know it's a 2+1 versus a 2+1. So that would be the two skaters plus 1 in the corner. And we can set a constraint, nice and easy constraint would mean you would have to the +1 needs to assist the goal. So then you would just allow your athletes to self-organise. They now know that it's a cross-ice game. They now know that they have either defence or offence that has to be involved in the assist. And they now know it's a 2v2. You can actually take a photo of that and send that to your assistant coaches, or you can upload it to your network, or you can, if you're going to say do your drawings at the evening, when you go to do your plan, you can use this as your plan and you're ready to go. So it gives you something to work on throughout the day. Thank you coaches, have a great day.